INSTANDA's technical training helps configurators become empowered and confident as they master the platform through self-directed digital learning. The foundational learning plan combines core INSTANDA functionality theory with practical hands-on experience to configure a full quote and by journey of an example travel product. The advanced learning plan takes a deeper look into more complex and nuanced functionality, giving configurators more advanced knowledge and skills to leverage the platform's capabilities. Each learning plan finishes with an assessment to certify a person's platform configuration knowledge and ability. Supporting configurators throughout their technical training and beyond is the INSTANDA Knowledge Base. The Knowledge Base is the go-to place for configurator help. It contains more than 250 how-to best practice guides to provide in-the-moment support during configuration. Become a confident configurator in no time with INSTANDA Technical Training, the gateway to unlocking game-changing digital policy administration.